Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, transparenttrading-solutions.com on a Friday. This is 28th June. Quarterly ending, rebalancing, benign core PCE, all that. And we get a big choppy day in the markets once again. We had tested the highs. Let's get right into the charts here again. Go ahead and subscribe to the newsletter. Contact me at Transparent Trading support at Transparent Trading Solutions. I am running a sale. If you want to find out about it, go ahead and contact us at the support. Okay. All right. Let's get right into the markets, and essentially we had a initial rally off the core PCE benign number. We basically came right to the highs and sold off, and we're trying to hold around 50, this low right here, just kind of drifting lower. If we cannot hold this over the weekend and Monday, I do believe we're going to get a big sell-off. Here at TTS, we are positioned for that right now. So we'll see how next week's going to be really interesting. We have a shortened week. We got 4th of July falling on Thursday. I think we have a short trading day on Wednesday, and then by the way, full trading day on Friday after 4th of July, where we have the non-farm payroll. So it's going to be another interesting week setup. So S&P basically just still in a range clearly, and we're now right up against this 55.11 support area, which is interestingly held, but it looks like it wants to go lower. NQ similarly, we had the NVIDIA very, very tight, coiled up. That's probably going to, if that can't hold on, looks to me like the market may want to take a pause here. We'll see. And then similarly, the Dow all over the map today as well, with Nike just getting, annihilated really. I don't know if you guys saw shares of Nike. Russell also just nothing going on. Rates did creep higher, which was interesting, trying to break out on the interest rate front here above 4.35. That was kind of an interesting situation, even though the inflation number came in. Bonds sold off. Bonds are rallying or selling off, I should say, which is really interesting. Maybe we go back up to 440. There's a level here on the 10-year that looks somewhat interesting. Nothing really happening in the dollar. That was very quiet. And then oil still kind of churning. Now again, what's interesting again is even though oil was kind of just languishing today, oil stocks, which we're involved with, did have another nice day today. It looks like EOG, which is the stock we're involved with at TTS, may want to break out. LNG, which I don't know if I mentioned that. LNG also broke out. So the energy shares are something that may be worth taking a look at. You can see LNG broke out at 164. It's traded 10 points higher. So all these energy shares are still are starting to perk up a little bit. So that's something, and that's again despite oil. Again, as long as oil holds up, I think we're fine. On the other hand, nat gas looks like it's headed back down to 250, and this is going to be a critical level on the nat gas futures contract. We'll see how that goes, and then also wheat is starting to shape up a little bit here. We had an ag report today that kind of moved around the ag markets, but we kind of ended up in no man's land here with that. The other grain markets really not we had a spike and then kind of just right back. So wheat is the one that's kind of more of an interest to us here at TTS. So that kind of sums it up. Interesting interesting week next week. Let's see if the stocks can hold up and go into that positive seasonal into the 4th of July, which typically happens. We got a new quarter, a new month, and so forth. So we'll go from there. Again, subscribe to the newsletter, and if you want to inquire about the sale I got going on, also hit me up on support@transparentrainsolutions.com. Okay, have a great weekend. Take care.